So this is a lunch I'm making with the leftover chicken from the roast chicken dinner. So spread out the chicken, spread one half of the bread with mayonnaise. So there you go, there's a lunchtime snack made from the leftover chicken. So that's a lunchtime snack for the family. I would have made it go even further, but I only had 6 slices of bread. But there you go, if it's a family of 4, that's 3 sandwiches each, all from a bit of leftover chicken. So there's a lot you can do with £20 a week.